underneath the Terminator, we'd like to keep the pulleys underneath here, blowing out dust. The idea of these is to keep the airflow around your bearings and spindles, so it's very important to keep them cool. Other thing is these adjusted pulleys, they actually got movement here. You know, like they actually slide, they're not seized. Grease nipples weekly on here, and same on the other one. Just have a look, make sure no belt wrap. If you've done a belt or something like that, we don't want any belt wrap up behind the pulley and wrapping into the bearing, because you'll find your bearing will chop out within the first day. And the best thing is keeping them clean underneath. Is the cleaner, the cooler they run. The same with the fan pulley on the gearbox. They build up a lot of dust. If we can just set your blower up and just blow under and tidy it up. While you're under here, just make sure your wiring sensors are not wearing. It's nice to get them before they start to wear, which they shouldn't do, but if a belt's gone and damaged them or something like that and you've lost a bit of conduit off them, or spiral wrapped, you could see a bit of chaff starting to wear on the cord. So it's pretty important. It saves a bit of grief later on the day or the year.